Nature, your God gifted love. You smile when sun shines, you cry when rain falls. Your beauty makes spellbound, seeing your magical seasonal change. Flowers start blooming when dew drops falls. Birds start chirping, perching on branch. Peacocks spread wings, sing cotton-like clouds in the sky. A gentle blowing air make mind cool and calm. Garden of flowers breathe heavenly when butterflies roaming about, waterfalls cascading down the rock like someone singing a melodious song, like honeybees humming around the flowers. The summit of mountain and the thunder of the sky make mind calm and confident. In your green bushy forest, animals feel safe, getting their lifelong shelter. In autumn, you look like a new bride with colorful leaves. Nature, I love you for your caring. My eyes get satisfied seeing your scenic beauty. You are beautiful. You are mother of all.